So as you can see, I'm done. So it's a farmer against the Wild West. You know, I would bet for the Wild West, but I think the farmer's gonna win. Let's see if I'm wrong or if I was right. Oh jeez. Oh jeez, the farmer are taking over. Jeez, the farmer actually might win this. I didn't actually expect it. S- Wait, the farmer is actually gonna win this.